Along with the buying on this farm near Bath, England, there's also a lot of belching. And those woolly methane burps have sent British researchers on an eco-mission.
It's looking at improving the overall efficiency of the ewe flock. In turn, that's going to reduce the environmental impact.
The team is putting the sheep into chambers that measure their methane emissions. It's what comes out of their mouths and noses that count most, not the other end. Sheep regurgitate their food repeatedly, making them big burpers. And globally, the UN says livestock accounts for 19% of greenhouse gas emissions.
We're trying to breed a more efficient sheep. We're trying to do that with any metric that we can. And these new metrics might be something interesting that can help us.
Already, it appears sheep from some hereditary lines burp up more gas than others. But other sheep grow faster and get slaughtered earlier. So overall, perhaps they produce less gas. So it's crucial to study other factors too, says this vet.
It's looking at efficiency of production, so number of lambs produced from a ewe, growth rates, all elements of sheep production and how efficiently they do it.
New Zealand is the world leader in breeding climate-friendly sheep. This machine was designed and built there, and studies in New Zealand suggest that by breeding and altering diet, methane emissions in sheep can be cut by as much as 16%. Researchers in Canada have been looking at how to cut methane emissions in cattle too. Scientist Nicola Lamb is shepherding the studies in the UK.
If we were only going to select animals for low methane emissions, we could make really quite fast progress, but we can't do that if it's going to have negative impacts on their health or their growth or their ability to produce lamb meat.
This mobile testing unit is visiting farms all over England with money from the UK government, aiming to create a greener, less gassy future. Chris Brown, CBC News, near Bath, England.